Let me film this for you guys. Great, isn't it? My friend, I don't have enough words to say how grateful I am.
That's all right.
Absolutely pleasure for me to meet you. See you again, huh?
Ciao.
Ciao. Go to Wright, go to work, go to work.
I have to go to work, make some money.
Bye bye. Absolutely wonderful, man. Excellent time. Place, huh? Over there, right at the end of the cliffs, is actually the Sea Cliff Bridge where we just came from. This road. Oh man, wonderful, wonderful. See where I am? Perfect, perfect. And I just saw this guy coming out from the water. Yeah. Are you not afraid from sharks?
Not really. There was a shark spotted here a few days ago.
But you're still going.
Yeah. If you actually add up the probability of getting attacked by a shark, it's extremely low. So there's something like, a few each year, and then you take how many hundreds of thousands of people surf and swim in New South Wales, and then you add up how many times they go in each year. The probability each time you get out of being attacked by a shark is about probably 1 in several million. So.
You see how brave these guys are?
No, I'm very scared of waves. I'm scared of drowning.
Are you scared from waves and drowning, but not from sharks?
Yeah, I'm scared of breaking my neck, wiping out and breaking my neck. But I'm not afraid of sharks. No.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
No worries.
Oh man. See this. Nice, isn't it? Let me drop this stuff. Oh, my helmet and tank back. I left the bike on the road. I hope it will be alright when I come back. Look at this, the power of the ocean. Oh man, look at this. See, these guys are fishing. Oh yeah. Are you afraid from cameras?
No, why?
Nah, what are you fishing?
What do you mean? What am I fishing for? For bream.
Okay. Is it bited today?
Yeah, we've got a couple.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
I'm just traveling around Australia and I really got the chance to see just the normal Australian people. That's why I stopped here. Yeah. Where are you from?
From Sydney.
From Sydney.
Yep.
And you travel here just for fishing?
Oh, no, come up here for holiday.
Alright. Thank you very much for your time. Good luck. See this guy. Another one over there. Man, it's a very, very nice place. Magic place. Ah, cool. I wish I had the chance to come here with the bike, but with these hills, nah. I might manage to come down, and I will manage to come down, but there is no way to go up after that. This is the problem. Ah, absolutely brilliant. Wonderful, wonderful. One of these thousands of small hidden wild beaches they've got here in Australia. Oh man, it's just very, very nice, very, very cool. So I'll spend some time here making some pictures, a few more videos, probably some time lapse. Oh, it's just great, absolutely wonderful. For today I do not plan to ride many kilometers. I actually left Sydney. Actually, I was not in Sydney. I left Sydney yesterday, the day before, and I rode only about 100 kilometers to Woi Woi, and I spent the night there. So I started today very early, around 7 o'clock, and now at the moment I'm about 200-250 kilometers away. Let me show on the map where exactly I am at the moment and what I have done. So I just passed Newcastle, and instead of staying on the highway, which is Pacific Highway, it is pretty boring highway. You see nothing there. I made this detour here around Mill Lakes National Park, Smith Lakes, and now I'm on the way to Foster, and I stopped to see this beach somewhere here in this area. So actually I made this detour, and then I will be connected to the highway again. They'll make it again detour to Port Macquarie or whatever the name is, and I will probably spend the night in the Coffs Harbour, which is somewhere here. So this is basically the plan, and tomorrow I will continue to Brisbane. So as I said, no rush, just slowly. We'll enjoy this place a little longer, and then I'll continue. I've got a perfect deal. The hotel is nothing special, but the price is $50, which is around 30 euro, and the location is amazing. It's on the beach. I'm gonna walk out now and show you what it is. The room is, it's not good, it's not bad, but it's cheap. It's obvious that it's cheap, but I have a big bed, I have internet, which is the most important. I'm uploading video now. Perfect. And as I said, the location is very good. So let me show you around. Toilet is over there. It's a common toilet for everyone, not a private, but I don't mind. I couldn't find the bathrooms, but I think they're on the other side. Let me check now. But even if I cannot find it, even if it's without bathrooms, honestly, I don't care, because it's just ladies, gentlemen, toilets. All right, gentlemen. Oh, okay, cool. Here are the showers. All right, cool. I found it. Well, anyway, good. Super. Let's go out now to show where exactly I am. And here's a pub here. Cool. So I can come and drink a beer later. My bike is in front of the hotel. See where it is. And over there is the ocean. Actually, this is like lagoon, like big lagoon here. But see these huge trees. Look at this. And it is almost sunset. So I came on the right time. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. I'll try to go there, make some pictures. And I really want to make one time lapse with the sunset. I hope I'll find a better position to make it. Let's see. Oh, there is the hotel, and this is the coastline. Perfect, just perfect. Man, it's wonderful here. It is wonderful, honestly. Can you hear the parrots behind me on the tree? On all sides, wherever you go, there's this wonderful scene. See what it is. Oh man, I would like to stay more here. Whew. One thing I will do for sure, wake up tomorrow morning and wait for the sunrise. Definitely. I'll go now to find something to eat. I saw a pub there, also saw Chinese food, so we'll see. Alright. Oriental kitchen, Chinese restaurant. Okay, I think will be Chinese. Please use order door. Where is the order door? Okay. Oh, it's the same. Alright, cool. I'll use it. Still working or closed?
Yeah, it's
Alright, alright, cool. Alright, great. I'm gonna sit here, I'm the only client. After a few attempts, finally, I've got what I need. It's a soup, noodle soup, and fried rice with eggs. Just waiting for it. It looks like I'm gonna eat after more than an hour. Oh, cool.